another science kit video. Where is my science kit? Ah, there it is. So let me do my setup. Yeah, my instruction manual. So today I'm going to do the lab experiment. Let's see what we need. Mini volcano. Here's the volcano. That's the train. And this is the volcano. The mini volcano. There's cylinder. Spatula. Here's the cup. Yum 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 yum. Funnel! Yes! Yes! The materials from the toolkit are done. Now we need the materials from the science kit. What's the first thing? Baking soda. Citric acid. Citric acid. Last but not least, we need our bloody red color. Very bloody red color. Now what we need? Materials from home. Liquid soap or dishwashing soap and water. I'm going to ask my mother for some soap and water. 40. Here we have it. So I'm going to just clear it up. This we don't need now because we already took everything out. But we need this instruction manual, not the bonus manual. Now I'm going to move on to the volcano size. So where's my instructions? Take a cup and add 2 scoops of baking soda and 1 scoop of citric acid to mix well. Citric acid will go first. Here goes the first scoop and 2 more scoops of baking soda. 1, 2. Now mixy. So it's done. Now next thing. Step number 2, put the mini volcano in the tray. It's already in. And place the funnel on top. Then pour the mixture into the volcano. Oh yes! Add 5 ml of liquid soap and 20 ml of water into the measuring cylinder. Water already in. I don't care. Add it in. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Yeah, God, so much. Add 5 drops of red color into the soap mix solution, then mix well. This is non-toxic colors, so you won't get any harm from it. Let me put 5 drops. Mix well. OMG, that's soap water. Remove the funnel and pour the mixture into the mini volcano at once. Let's pour it. Done. It's not exploding. Here it is. Let me touch. Oh, it's so cold. Whee! don't you see bubbly lava coming out from the volcano? Did the explosion last for a long time? Yes, it did. So the science behind this is, in this experiment, the carbon dioxide gas is a realized with the mixture of baking soda and citric acid. But the soap solution traps the releasing gas. This slows down the reaction, creates more bubbles and increases the duration of the volcano blast. Boom! I hope you liked my experiment.